Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to easily cancel an order in a Glovo, guys. Actually really easy and simple. So first things first, let's say you have made an order, guys, okay? You're going to make an order in DoorDory and then you confirm and check out, guys. Okay, once you have checked out, before you pay, you can just clear your basket, okay? Before you pay, you can just come here, guys, and press X right here and then click on confirm to clear your basket of orders. That's when you have added something to cart and you want to cancel it. But if you have already made the order, guys, you can also cancel it without incurring any fees, guys. So all you need to do, let's say if you have like a scheduled order, or you can just go to my orders, okay? And if you want to cancel it, simply all you need to do is go to your scheduled order and just click on cancel order, guys. You will not be charged for canceling at all. Okay, once the order is canceled, you can just place a new order with your required items and your delivery details. It is that simple, guys. So if this video helps, make sure you like, comment, and of course, guys,